Namaste. Hope all of you are enjoying. From the kind of messages, number of messages we continue to get from all corners, we are so happy. We trust that every person who is into the KKA and KKJ are enjoying their life. What they have not seen earlier, what they have not enjoyed earlier, I feel that they are expressing to this level as though they have seen the blissfulness during these sessions of Kriya Kundalini, Jagaran and Kriya Kundalini Awakening. Today we are going to take up one incident which opened up life and comforts for a family. It was in the year 2000, in May. We had an invitation to visit one district called Shivamogga in Karnataka. Mataji's cousin brother marriage was fixed around mid of May 2000. It was long time I did not visit their house. They are staying at a place called Kumshi, which is around 25 kilometers away from Shivamogga. It was Shivamogga in those days. Now it is renamed as Shivamogga. To be precise, Mataji's mother's elder sister's son marriage was there. The person was almost equal to Mataji's age, slightly younger. We did not want to miss the opportunity. So we took up a journey and we attended the marriage at Shivamogga. After the marriage was over, the entire family consisting of one full bus returned to Kumshi to their house, that is bridegroom's house, with the bride. It was an exclusive bus. So the program was like this. Night we will take a journey in the exclusive bus of about half an hour to 1 hour journey, reach their home and stay there overnight. Next day morning, there was a special puja, Satyanarayana puja, because the new bride has come to fill the house. It is customary to have a puja, invite the Lakshmi with an auspicious Satyanarayana puja. Elaborate arrangements were made. It was for the first time I was visiting, though Mataji was visiting the house from her childhood itself. The house was situated inside the forest department main gate, just walkable distance. It is a very big plot. Their house was just about 100 or 200 yards from the road. All those areas belongs to them only. It was a very old house, built about 50, 55, 60 years old, built of mud in those days with the tiles, typical Mangalore, Shivamogga site constructions. When all of us got down from the bus and were walking to their house, just a 1 minute walk, on the right side, just before their house, there was a shed type. It was like a storeroom. Out of curiosity, something pulled me or pushed me, I do not know. Out of curiosity, I peeped through. There were two wheels. It was like a storeroom, like normally in the villages where the junk items, unused items, old furnitures, etc. will be kept there. To my amusement, there were two wheels of a cart. I did not know whether it was fixed to the cart, it was removed and kept. I did not know any antecedents of these particular wheels. We went to the house. Something was indicating to me not to lose the opportunity. I called the bridegroom's elder brother, who was already married. I told him, tomorrow morning when sunlight is there, I wanted to talk to you something. Just a reminder. Next day morning, the Satyanarayana puja was very elaborate, very auspiciously conducted by the learned Pandits, Vedic Pandits. Following the puja, Food was served to everybody. Many more family and relatives and friends visited, very close friends and all relatives who had gone from Bangalore, all were assembled there. So after everything was over, I indicated to Mataji's cousin brother, the eldest brother of the bridegroom, that this particular wheels should not be kept in this way. These wheels appears to be very sacred for me. Many problems are surrounding in and around your house, including your relatives, because of this particular wheel. Take proper care, make proper arrangements for the sacred wheels placement and take care of these wheels. Worshipping these wheels will bring a lot of benefits for you, your family, and all your relatives who are here and there in the vicinity itself. Actually, all the relatives were in and around, but almost everyone was ignorant of that particular wheel and no one took care of it. They thought it is some old item and none of them knew what for these wheels were used, when it was used. Because from the childhood itself, probably it was there. I did not inquire too much. On the day evening, we had left their house with some sweet memories of having attended the marriage in their family, visiting their house also, taking part in the Satyanarayana Puja also. So a set of relatives from Bangalore, all of us returned to Bangalore. This subject was over. Subsequently, years passed on. Mataji's cousin who got married was working in a bank as an officer. After the marriage, he had an idea of setting up his family wherever he is being posted. With these conditions, the elder brother was totally taking care of the entire family, consisting of his own family, his mother, his land, their family land, which was around good amount of land was there. Good amount of land is there. He struggled to bring crops in those land. Years of his tedious work yielded results, and the entire family has been enjoying the outcome of the result from the agricultural land also. The house was over 50 years. It was made out of mud. In those days, that was the best construction in the villages. But something struck me. In the morning when I was discussing about the wheels, I also indicated a place where he will be constructing his house. And I wanted him to construct a house there. Neither I knew that he is proposing to construct any building, nor he was having any idea of constructing the house. We do not know anything, because our discussion was only 1 to 2 hours in between, with family disturbance, someone intervening, etc. During the discussion, I had indicated to construct a house at a particular place. Years went on. One day he invited us for Graha Pravesham of his house. He called and told me, "Brother-in-law, I have built the house at the place where you have indicated, where you have suggested. I do not want you to miss the Graha Pravesham." But incidentally, on that day I had some other work already engaged. As a result of this, we could not attend their Graha Pravesham. Mataji was always having a feeling that for the eldest son, she missed many opportunities to take part in auspicious function, including his marriage, childbirth, and as well as Griha Pravesham of his house. Whenever he used to call, always he used to feel that you miss all the functions. With these feelings still lingering in our mind, we wanted to exclusively visit their house once. So one fine day, after a few days of their Griha Pravesham, we went to Shivamoga, visited the younger brother who was settled there attending the bank duties. Then we visited their house 25 kilometers away and we stayed there for 2-3 days. We entire family went by our own car, myself driving the car. When we reached in the evening, it was astonishing for me to find they were worshipping these two wheels which were kept in a very uncarried situation, uncarried method. Mataji's brother-in-law was so happy to show the house how he has built. The house was built with so much energy flowing in the house. Whether Vastu was there or Vastu was absent is immaterial. But the moment I entered the house, I could see a very positive pull and push happening to me in that house. It was a very pleasant stay in that house. The wheels were worshipped. Not only that, the in and around relatives have also started worshipping the wheel. I do not know what these wheels are carrying, where from they came. I do not know what energy these two wheels are carrying. Who dropped them there? Which family used it? No history is attached to these wheels. But the ultimate result is every family there, the relatives are paying their respects every day now. Mataji's brother is specifically indicating to me and to us that ever since they started worshipping the wheels, lot of changes and comforts entered the house, paving the way for construction of the house, which was a long dream for them. We do not know where we stand, who sends such messages of positive, negative, neutral, good, bad, ugly, etc. But on that day, it could have been my only feeling. Nothing could have been attached to it. The suggestion could have been dropped. Because in this world, free advices comes in dozens. And the free advices have no value at all. People do not respect. Even today, I am able to cure some very serious diseases with my own medicine, my own method, with my astrological knowing, with the grace of Mahavatar Babaji, all put together. But still, when I express that I have some headache, the person who will be sitting next to me, including our servant maid, will suggest me a medicine for headache. This is, people cannot keep quiet. Immediately they wanted to rain all the suggestions they have. As a result, the free advices have no value as far as I am concerned, as far as I have observed. This being the case, I never expected that they would have shown so much respect for these wheels and started worshipping it. But the unique thing is the grace of Almighty, grace of the divinity, which has started raining with so much of auspicious results on that family. The moment the wheels have become part and parcel of their life and they got a place of worship at the place where they had just been staying without any care by anybody. Again I repeat, there are so many energies hidden in certain materials or objects left by our forefathers. Yet there are objects which carry very negative, which were possessed by our own forefathers. I have seen in the last 3 or 4 years a lady who was collecting lot of antiques. Lot of bad happenings were experienced by the family. When I visited, I could feel it. Then I advised them to take all the antiques, which were some items were looking like devil or devils. I told them to just pack it and throw it out. Ever since they did this, they could see that their life changed for better. So the objects could have negative emission or a positive showering. We do not know. But when it struck me that it was positive, it was positive. Action taken to give its place of worship and continued worship has brought and continues to throw them energy year and year, day and day, minute and minute. Not only that, Mataji's auntie, Mataji's mother's elder sister, 3 years back we went for a marriage. At that time she could not come for the marriage. She was so sick. Almost everybody decided something untoward could happen. Marriage was in Shivamogga. We went specifically to see the elderly person so that some courage she could draw, some compassion we could extend. But the marriage went on without her presence, just 25 kilometers away. But the situation is, today she is hale and healthy. What comes as a negative has always been turned into positive by these two wheels, the origin of which is not at all known to anyone. It looks like it was fixed to some cart, but nothing can be certified, nothing can be confirmed unless we know anything. I am placing the photograph of these two wheels. Members can see and enjoy. We will meet in one more such incidents which I encountered in my life, maybe negative, maybe positive, which have changed the lives of many. Such incidents only I will take. All the very best. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha.